విభజన ఇబ్బందులున్న ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు రాష్ట్రాన్ని ప్రగతి పథంలో నడిపిస్తున్నారని కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు అన్నారు. దేశాభివృద్ధి కోసం కేంద్ర రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాలు కలిసి పనిచేయాలని సూచించారు. దేశాభివృద్ధిలో భాగంగా పరిశ్రమలు స్థాపించాలనుకునే వారికి అన్ని వసతులు కల్పిస్తామని హామీ ఇచ్చారు. కేంద్రం దృష్టిలో ఏపీ ఎప్పటికీ ప్రత్యేక రాష్ట్రమని, అభివృద్ధి విషయంలో వెనకడుగు వేయమని స్పష్టం చేశారు.
The World Economic Forum, World Bank, ADB, Moody ratings, the entire world is looking towards India with interest. The Prime Minister is very keen that we bring reforms in every sector because he is one of the great transformers of the country. He wants to transform India. He wants to make it a strong, stable, prosperous nation. He wants every section of the people to feel that they are also part of the development story of India. The country and the state, now there is a competition between the states, that the state of Andhra Pradesh under the able leadership of Chandrababu Naidu has crossed the double-digit growth. Why Andhra Pradesh is progressing? Because you have a chief minister here who is not only dynamic, who has a vision. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu I have been observing for years together. He is a worker, work. So today the state is small. So he is focusing more and more on every district, on every activity. And he is trying to accelerate the progress. And I can assure you, we are there in Delhi because for us, Andhra is a special state. For the government of India, Andhra Pradesh is a special state because we have special affection for the work of the Chief Minister. We have a special affection for the injustice that was done to the state that has to be rectified by the centre. And this state is blessed by another thing, nature, because we have 1,000 kilometers of coast. You have railway line, you have highway, and you have coast also. And then you have, as I told you, you have a hard-working Chief Minister. And the Chief Minister is having a vision to develop airports in other district centers also. So friends, great opportunities are there. You can come and you can see the beauty, and you can see the duty, and you can make the state mighty.